Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. बच्चों, इस पाठ में हम एक अंध और बधिर व्यक्ति का परिचय करेंगे. कौन है वो व्यक्ति? Yes, Helen Keller. You know Helen Keller? Yes, she was a deaf and blind person. She was a famous orator also. And in this lesson we are going to read about a letter that she wrote on her birthday, 11th birthday. She wrote this letter to her friend. Okay, देखिए अपने पुस्तक में पाठ 11 हेलन केलर का पत्र. पत्र मीन्स लेटर. सो हेलन केलर का पत्र, हेलन केलर्स लेटर. सो हेलन केलर का पूरा नाम क्या है? हेलन एडम्स केलर था. उनका जन्म अल्बामा में 27 जून 1880 में हुआ था. It means she born were in Alabama when 27th June 1880. जब वे केवल 19 महीने की बच्ची थी तब किसी भयानक बीमारी के कारण उनकी देखने व सुनने की शक्ति चली गई. So when she was 19 months, महीना month, when she was 19 months old, that means then what happened? किसी भयानक बीमारी, serious disease के कारण, due to the serious disease, she became deaf and blind. That means उनकी देखने व सुनने, देखने means see, and सुनना to hear की शक्ति चली गई. So she lost her eyesight as well as hearing. She could not hear. किंतु सौभाग्य से उन्हें एने सुलेवन का सानिध्य मिला. So she got the presence or closeness of a person, एने सुलेवन, and she became her teacher. And जिन्होंने उनका जीवन पूरी तरह से सार्थक बना दिया. जिन्होंने, उस व्यक्ति, that means एने सुलेवन नामक वह व्यक्ति उनका जीवन पूरी तरह से सार्थक बना दिया. It means that person got her life as meaningful. और वे 20वीं शताब्दी की महान वक्ता, 20वीं मीन्स 20th century, 20वीं शताब्दी 20th century, महान वक्ता एवं समाज सेविका. वक्ता मीन्स orator and समाज सेविका, social worker. So, in the form of an orator as well as a social worker, she became very famous in the society. Okay, clear? So now she is going to write a letter to her friend Tina. So, do you know how we write the letter? Yes, we put the place, date, etc. and the salutation, that is Pyari Tina. She salute her friend Tina. Pyari Tina, my beloved Tina, my friend. Okay. आज मेरा 11वां जन्मदिन मनाया गया. आज का दिन सचमुच अनोखा रहा. That means today मेरा 11वां जन्मदिन, my 11th birthday, being celebrated, my 11th birthday. आज का दिन सचमुच अनोखा रहा. So today it means सचमुच अनोखा. Really it was a unique one, an extraordinary day in my life. So today was a really unique day in my life. आज सुबह सुबह मैं अपनी प्रिय अध्यापिका मिस एने सुलेवन के साथ जंगल घूमने गई. So what I did today? So in the morning I went to move around or visit the forest. With whom? With my beloved teacher. My beloved teacher, प्रिय अध्यापिका. What was her name? Miss N.A. Sullivan. So I went with my teacher, Miss N.A. Sullivan, to where? To see or visit the forest. घूमने गई, to move around the forest. पूरब की दिशा से उगते लाल सूरज की लालिमा मानो मेरे हृदय पर स्वयं उभर कर आ रही थी. पूरब मीन्स ईस्ट. पूरब मीन्स ईस्ट की दिशा से डायरेक्शन. उगते लाल सूरज रेड कलर सन की लालिमा मानो मेरे हृदय पर स्वयं उभर कर आ रही थी. That means the rays of the rising sun from the east emerge in my heart or mind. That means पूरब की दिशा से उगते राइसिंग सन, उगते लाल सूरज रेड कलर सन की लालिमा दैट कलर मानो मेरे हृदय पर स्वयं उभर कर आ रही थी. emerge in my mind because I could not see anything at all. Still I know the feelings of the red color sun. Clear? Then जंगल में पाए जाने वाले तरह तरह के पेड़ों, फूल पत्तियों का आकार तथा उनकी कोमलता का अनुभव मैंने स्वयं किया. जंगल में पाए जाने वाले, that means there were many animals and there were many trees, plants, trees, etc. in the forest. पाए जाने वाले तरह तरह various kinds of पेड़ों, trees, फूल पत्तियों, flowers as well as leaves का आकार means shape. So I can feel the shape, even the shape of these fool and flowers and leaves and as well as the trees also I can feel. तथा उनकी कोमलता का अनुभव, कोमलता means softness का अनुभव, experience. So I got the experience of the softness of these things also in the forest. मैंने स्वयं किया. That means I could feel myself all the things in the forest. Even though I am a blind person or deaf person, I could feel the things in the forest. उनके स्पर्श मात्र से मेरे हृदय में उनकी छवि उभर आती थी. उनके स्पर्श मात्र, only with the touch of these plants etc. leaves like that, मेरे हृदय में उनकी छवि, the shade or image, the picture, छवि means image, the picture उभर आती है, that also emerge in my mind. So I could see or I could see in my inner sight. That is the speciality. उनके स्पर्श मात्र से मेरे हृदय में उनकी छवि उभर आती थी. तुम्हें शायद यह जानकर कुछ अजीब लगे कि बिना देखने सुनने की शक्ति के मुझे इन सब की अनुभूति कैसे हुई. तुम्हें शायद means perhaps you might have feel that कुछ अजीब लगे कि, a strange feeling, कि बिना देखने सुनने की शक्ति के. So you might have a feeling that how can I feel these things even though I was a deaf and blind person, but it is a real thing. सच तो यह है, it is real. मुझे हर रंग का अपना विशिष्ट अनुभव है. So it is a real thing that I got the experience of each color of plants, leaves, flowers, etc. I could feel very closely. Clear? सच तो यह है कि मुझे हर रंग का, each color, हर रंग का अपना विशिष्ट अनुभव है, special experience. पेड़ पौधों, फूल पत्तियों, इन सब को, so all these things, leaves, flowers, trees, plants, all these things, सबको मैंने बहुत करीब से अनुभव किया. I could feel the close experience with these things. यह बहुत सुखद अनुभव था. So it was a very pleasant experience. सुखद means pleasant. It was a very pleasant experience for me. Okay, बच्चों, यह पाठ आप अच्छी तरह पढ़ना चाहिए और read the textbook very well and you take down the notes I have attached with this and do the test paper and post it. Okay, see you in the next class. धन्यवाद.